all they need. They gonna run around and work their own shit. You ain't gotta do nothing. Chain work is the best work, man. That's old school work. All that extra shit, what you trying to do? They ain't going to no weightlifting contest. You just want to get them chiseled up. And that chain, they got the chains on out here every day. Keep them out this motherfucker. That's the dog off the chain. That's what all the chain is. When they all the chain, man, that shit cut up. DMX shit. Got the chains on out here every day. Keep them out this motherfucker. That's the dog off the chain. That's what all the chain is. When they all the chain, man, that shit cut up. DMX shit. Why? They ain't gotta work out. Like you said, the mama, the one who breeded them, how you said you ain't do nothing but let her do what she was, and then look how she put the chain on that bitch. Oh shit. And then give her some little little multivitamin, little shit, little shit. Not no super enhancement shit. Just some little, man, you gonna see some of the, ooh, that's what we talking about. That's what you gotta do when it's just like buying a car. When you put the paint on it, you put the wheels on it, you put it, if you wanted to drip, you gonna put candy paint. Your dog, you wanted to look good, put a little bit of vitamins in the shit. You know, let them work all the chain. These is gonna be the beautifulest fucking dogs in the world, Joe. Stand on the chain. Oh yeah, Mo. Damn, that's gonna be good. They ain't, you can see they ain't touched the chain. I can tell they ain't touched no chain. They all fat. Not fat, but they all thick. They, man, watch, put that chain, them all this fucking space champ. You gonna have some shit on your hand. Watch, it's, even if it cost, cause I remember I bought the chain. How much the fucking chain was? The chain was, I know it wasn't no more before the one that I bought 2 pieces. I remember it was 8, and then another thing. So I think it was like $16 for the shits, whatever it is. It's worth it. All of them motherfuckers get that same chain like I got it at home, and get their collars and hook it to their collars.
And just let them run around with them motherfuckers.
And let it run from their neck. When they giving a whole lot of weight, it's good to do it from the harness. But they ain't gonna be pulling that much weight. It's just the chain, so the chain gonna help the neck. And it's gonna go to the body and shit. And that's all they need. That's all, they gonna work their own. Look at the shit that they doing like right now, Joe. They have the chains, all you hear is cling, and they just gonna be just going. And they gonna get used to them chains. Man, that's when they gonna get all the chains.
No, you can't jump on it.
There you go. You look like it's nothing wrong with that shit.
I got the key. No, don't mess with my key. They hiding from you. You don't need the key. Just push the button and open it.
I got you. Now, man, you put these modes on the same, brother. Hey, brother. We got something here, man. It's gonna be a beautiful sight, man. I'm glad. I want to be around to see this, man.
Hey,
I'm serious, man. We got. Oh, that's gonna be beautiful, man. And then take them out, man. Go. You know, get a truck, man. Load their ass up. Go hit the field. Advertisement, man. I'm with that. Like the whole summer, nigga. We out there, man. Yeah, what's up? We're going out. Bring the dogs out. And get this shit mingled up, man. This how I know. You might as well.
Hey! Man, shit out of his head. Come on, I got the chains and shit downstairs if you want to fuck around downstairs too. Or I only got like one. You know what I'm saying? We ain't got to fuck around with it. We can just get to know.
One, it's all good. Whoever got a collar, put it on the car.
We can chill downstairs. I can load the camera up and you can talk your shit too.
However you want. Because
I'm out to pour some motherfucking some drinks.
I'm with you. You driving this junk. I'm riding with you.
Cause look, she just fat as a motherfucker, but she got the body. She's right here.
Let me see that face, girl. This Razor?
Yeah, she old as shit. She ain't even with
Oh,
them.
she old?
Yeah, she like 8.
Oh, yeah, I remember. I met her then. I like her though.
Yeah, she right. She don't play about them motherfucking kids either. You see her looking over
no
there?
No question. No. Oh yeah, something about her. I like her. Damn.
That's why I ain't got rid of her.
Yeah, no question.
Not play. And she trained other dogs.
Right, no question. She the leader, huh? So she that's my adult. Look, I seen him. We come past. She just stay right in her motherfucking position.
Hey, I got a question. What the fuck is it when the motherfucking dogs be in each other's mouth?
When they what?
Like when I let them out, they be all in her mouth.
Damn, you got me, brother. I would if I know the answer, I'd tell you.
The motherfuckers just be all up in like trying to get shit out of her mouth or whatever.
Out the oldest one mouth?
Yeah, or the mother, they all do that shit sometimes.
You know what? I've yet to see it, and I've yet to have a litter. I've yet to have a litter. That's why you doing something that I never did. I ain't never had no litter. I always bought dogs. Bought dog, same people litter. I've never had something like that. Cause I ain't had no first. Lord have mercy. Yeah, we be the dog man. We gonna be the dog man. I'm telling you. I'm fucking with you. Oh, that's what I wanted to show you. Oh, that's a beautiful motherfucker. Look at this.
I gotta watch his little ass.
Yeah,
He'll run off.
Crazy motherfucker. Hey, y'all got love this shit.
He just started getting active.
Okay.
He just used to want to sit around.
He just take his time. He got a big fucking head.
I know.
Nigga got a head on his shoulders, for real. No pun. What pun?
Walk that plank. Walk it. She
Yeah,
do that by herself. Watch this shit. Come on, up. Let's walk. No. Walk. You supposed to stay on there. Come on. Let's go. Motherfucker fucking me up. I got some shit back there I be having to walk on in the back. But she the only one to do that shit. She do whatever I say.
Don't get fucked with them cops at. I'm first place, you runner up, try running up and I'ma pop that. Rim straight, I prefer that. That money talk, homie, where it's at. You lined up and I'm focused. Bang, and you know this. No disrespect to that chain. You back up like Mayday. My niggas text me like got one and I text back like okay. I'm always on, never catch me off. Slipping the lip and you get knocked off. Northside is my pedigree. My PG niggas, they better than me. It's HA niggas never worried me. You stand up, you niggas sit the pee. Real one with that. Big boy nigga, no six pack. Feds come, better stash that. Snitch niggas get their head cracked. I'm sucker free like all day. My fault is spitting up.
Why they fucking you up? I be trying to save his ass. He instigating this shit. No.
These niggas about to kick it off.
No.
Hey, yeah, dog, I know these niggas can't play around too long. This nigga gonna get the record. Hey, y'all, cut it off. Stop that shit.
This nigga right here.
No.
When ankle get on your ass, it's gonna be a problem.
Look, they looking around, they ready to fuck on. Hey, yo.
Look at this. Yeah, I'm finna see. Look, this one right here, he gonna fuck him up.
Oh, okay. He gonna,
don't fuck with mom.
Oh, that's his mother.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, little Bolo. I call that nigga Bolo. That's Bolo right there.
Yeah, he ain't playing that shit.
Yeah, that's Bolo. Bolo said, nigga, don't play my mother. I ain't Blueface. Blueface,
Sucker that tail down.
Yeah, he said, I ain't Blueface. Bolo come see what's up there. Oh, let me find out. You better leave him alone. Aye. He gave that arm up, boy. You better leave him alone.
No.
You better leave him alone. You gonna get you. Bolo ain't playing with your ass. Red nose, boy. He ain't playing. That nigga, yeah, he geeked up. He all that shit. You better see what's up there. Say, nigga, I shed blood on your ass. I already tasted a little bit.
Come on, hey.
He gave it a go.
Hey. Here. Chill out. No.
RTK, baby. And we the our game. You wrong. You know what I'm saying?
I ride around with that choppy. Don't give fuck with them cops at. I'm first place, you runner up, try running up and I'ma pop that. Rim straight up.
Nigga, I've been out here 3 years now, right? It's been on in the motherfucker. I'm talking about like on some like it is a different vibe. Like ain't no way I ain't never been on no shit like this. Like yeah, just not able to talk to nobody for like I talk to my people, but they up the road. You know what I'm saying? So it's like it's no interaction with people for 3 years, dog.
Appreciate y'all for chiming in, man. Stay clicked in, man. RTK. More with your boy Doe and Bred, man. Dog talk.